Welcome, today in front of me HONOR Magic4 Pro, and I'll show you how to turn on always on display feature on this device. So first let's open the settings application and then tap on the home screen and wallpaper section. Then click the always on display section, and to activate this feature, turn on the swatcher only once. Just click here. We can here switch display mode by tap to show, by shadow. We can set the start and the end time, or also we can use it all day. So now just let's lock the device, and we can see that we just successfully turned on always on display feature on our HONOR device. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.